Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our current date in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. To change our date we need to go to Settings, again to Settings, then we need to scroll all the way down to General Management and our time and date is here. So date and time, and to change our date we need to disable automatic updates here. And now we can set up any date we want. Let's say it's weekend. Done. And now it's Friday and it's almost the weekend is almost over. And that's pretty simple. Remember, you have to disable automatic date and time first. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.